The bottom of the feet on my deck bench comes down in kind of a V shape, so it leaves a single line down the middle, and I'm afraid it's going to damage the deck after a while. So I decided to design some little foot covers to put under it to spread out the load. I drew a quick design first for it, and then this is what I did with it. I started with a rectangle of 29 millimeters by 90 millimeters. Then with the push-pull tool, I pulled it up to 8 millimeters thick. And then some guidelines to draw the cross section of the foot on. So I went up from the bottom 2.5 millimeters and coming in from the sides 5 millimeters. And then the center line. And next coming from the top down 3 millimeters. Then with the line tool I just trace that cross section. And that's essentially the shape of the bottom of the foot. Then I can erase the guidelines. Now with the push-pull tool, click the control key and then start pushing in and coming in 5 millimeters. And then do the same for the far edge and 5 millimeters away from the far edge, so 85 millimeters. Next you just reverse face on the end piece, then erase the top portion, and then I need to reverse the faces of the inside areas. So I just select all of those and then reverse face. And with the eraser tool I can get rid of these extra lines. And by going to X-ray I can see the extra lines inside too. And finally the solid inspector to make sure there's no problems with it. And that was it. And just save it and then export the STL and it's ready to print. I printed it out of a flex plastic so it'd be squishy on the deck.